A federal judge says there is probable cause that the Trump administration acted in contempt of court when it continued flights carrying migrants to El Salvador last month. ABC's Perry Russum is in Washington with more on the ruling.
A federal judge says he found probable cause the Trump administration acted in contempt of court last month when officials did not turn around two planes flying migrants to El Salvador. Judge James Boasberg writes, the Constitution does not tolerate willful disobedience of judicial orders, especially by officials of a coordinate branch who have sworn an oath to uphold it. He says the way to purge his potential finding of contempt would be to obey his initial order. And if that does not happen, he says it could lead to live witness testimony under oath.
It sounds like the judge wants to find out who would be the person that would be potentially put in prison.
On one of those migrant flights, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a man the Supreme Court says was removed illegally from Maryland.
Hard stop. He should not be in our country.
The Trump administration accuses Abrego Garcia of being a member of the gang MS-13, but no evidence has been shown in court of that being true. A federal judge in that case is now giving the Trump administration 2 weeks to hand over information on what it has or has not done to comply with the Supreme Court's unanimous decision to facilitate his release. President Trump telling Fox Noticias he does not have the power to bring Abrego Garcia back.
And he's from El Salvador, so that's a decision up to El Salvador.
And El Salvador's president says neither does he.
I don't have the power to return him to the United States.
Questions remain over who actually does, amid the finger-pointing of responsibility.
He is not coming back to our country. President Bukele said he was not sending him back. That's the end of the story.
Democratic Senator from Maryland Chris Van Hollen is in El Salvador to try and visit Abrego Garcia. He says he will do everything possible to bring him back. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.